We're happy to announce, and very proud to announce, that Digital Dental Studio has gone now 100% digital. We have incorporated 3D printing. So what we do with 3D printing is that instead of milling the big bridge, the All-On X, which is a hybrid that's 12 teeth in total, we're able to 3D print that.
Roughly speaking, we literally can reconstruct a patient's mouth in a couple hours and they can walk out with a full new dentition.
Right.
And we can obviously adjust it. Dr. Vissart's amazing when it comes to the artistic part of it as well. We can make it any shape, size, color the patient desires, and it's pretty amazing stuff.
Imagine coming in without teeth and suddenly 5-6 hours later with beautiful teeth that you can go home and eat adequately.
Amazing, guys. Thank you very much.
Are you happy?
Wow. Can't believe it. I'm a new man now.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. I'm confused now. Can I stay like that forever?
You're going to start dating, Joe.
I don't know about dating. You have to pay me now to date them. Wow. Thank you, doctors. It's unbelievable.